Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain and analyze part 2 video Budapest depends chess tricks and rap. I am going to explain 1 to 6 chapter. I explain one by one. Let's start with chapter 1. Okay. D4 first move. Okay. This is called Queen's Pawn game. Black moving Knight f6, Indian defense. C4, Indian defense, normal variation, E5. Budapest defense, Indian defense, Budapest defense. Okay. Then D cross E5. This chapter 1 video is about black wins by checkmate in 7 moves. Okay. Another move of black, knight E4. Another move, F3, attack the knight. Then bishop B4 and we will check. Okay. After that, bishop go to D2. Block the check, defend the check. Then queen H4 and we will check. Okay, now you can see right now G3. Block the check and knight cross G3. Then knight cross B4. Bishop cross B4. Then knight E4 and we will checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 1. Budapest depends part 2 video. Okay. We can go now chapter 2. Hello everyone. This is chapter 2. Black wins by checkmate in 10 moves. Black wins by checkmate in 10 moves. Let's start with D4. Queen's pawn opening. Knight F6. Indian defense opening. C4. Indian defense normal variation. E5. Budapest defense. Then D cross E5. Budapest defense. Then knight G4. Knight C3. D6. Okay. Attack the pawn right now. Then E cross D6. Okay. Another move of black. Bishop cross D6. Okay. Then another move of fight H3. Attack the knight and knight cross F2. Now poke the queen and rook. Then king cut the knight. This is big mistake. That's why black resigned this. White resigned this game. Because another move. You can see another move. Queen H4 and it will check. Now black the check. No, black the check. Then king go to F3. So another move of queen. Black queen go to G3 and we will check. Then king go to E4. Then bishop F5 and we will check. Another bishop come to check. Then king cross F5. This is big blunder. That's why now the queen go to G6 and we will checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 2. Black wins by checkmate in 10 moves. Okay, we can go now chapter 3. Hello everyone. This is chapter 3. Why white resign in 6 moves? Okay. This is chapter 3. I am explaining and analyze right now. First move, D4, Queen's pawn king, Knight F6, Indian defense, C4, Indian defense, normal variation, E5, Indian defense, Budapest defense, and D cross E5, Knight G4. Okay, brilliant move. Then Queen go to D4. Okay, then D6. Now E cross D6. Then Bishop cross D6. Okay, if cut the queen cross G7, the queen is wrapped right now. You can see. Now, bishop go to E5. Now queen doesn't go anywhere. The queen is now wrapped. If cut the rook, then bishop cut the queen. That's it. That's why white resigned this king. Okay, we can go now chapter 4. That's it. Hi everyone, this is chapter 4. Why white resign in 9 moves only? Okay, let's start with D4, Queen's pawn opening, then Knight F6, Indian defense, C4 E5, Budapest defense, D cross E5, Knight G4, Queen D4, D6. Okay, we can see right now E cross D6, then Bishop cross D6. After that C5, attack the bishop right now. Then knight go to c6. Attack the queen right now. Then queen go to d1. Go back. Then you can see knight goes f2. Now poke the queen and rook. And king cut the knight. Okay. But white resigned this game in 2 moves. You can see right now. Another move of black. Bishop g3 and check. If cut the h cross g3 pawn. Okay. H cross g3. Then queen cross d1. That's it. This is beautiful move of black. Because white resigned this game. Because queen is captured by black queen. That's it. We can go now chapter 5. That's it. Hello everyone. This is chapter 5. Why white resign in 9 moves? This is a different technique moves of black. Okay. First move. Let's start with e4. Queen's pawn opening. Then knight x6. Indian defense. Then c4 e5. Budapest defense. Then d cross e5. Okay. Another move of black. Knight go to g4. Indian defense, Budapest defense. Then knight f3. Indian defense, Budapest defense. Okay. Another move. Bishop c5. Okay. Attack the f2 pawn. White and black bishop and black knight. Okay. Then e4. Knight c6. Bishop g5. Bishop cross f2 and we will check. Then king go to e2. Then knight d4 and we will check. If queen cut the knight, then bishop cross d4. The white queen is gone. That's it. Then black queen is gone. After that, bishop cross b2. Totally this game white resign because the pieces have white cast. So few pieces have white. But so many advantage moves have black have. Okay, that's why this game white resign. After the move, if I'll come to outside the knight bishop, then the rook is gone. That's why white resign this. Okay, that's it. We can go now chapter 6, last chapter. That's it. Hello everyone, this is chapter 6. Black wins white checkmate in 10 moves. First move, start with d4. Queen's pawn came. Knight f6. Indian defense. c4 e5. Budapest defense. d cross e5. Budapest defense. Knight g4. Then knight go to f3. White knight go to f3. Then black knight go to c6. Then bishop f4. Okay. Then bishop b4 and we will check here. Black wins white checkmate in 10 moves. Okay. We can see how to win black. Okay, another move. Knight c3. Queen e7. Okay, this is a brilliant move. Then g3. Okay, knight c cross e5. Okay. Then knight g5. Go to g5 knight. Then h6. Attack the knight and knight go to e4. Then you can see f5. Now knight go to d2. This is a big blunder. We can see right now. One move checkmate with knight. Knight go to d3 and brilliant checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 6. That's it. We can go to another video after the tomorrow. Okay. That's it. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. That's it.